you felt that throughout the level 1 and level 2 training?
Yeah, particularly after a group exercise we just did where we did one-on-one and did a practice run for therapy. So I got to sit back and just absorb the gong for half an hour, and wow, I got into a meditative state, and yeah, it was powerful.
You run yoga classes, right?
Yeah. So my plan after the course is to bring the gong in at the end of a class in Shavasana, and also some of the percussion instruments that we've covered this weekend. Can't wait to use the ocean drum on the next class I do. So yeah, and I can see myself going ahead and getting a lot more instruments and having a play. So yeah, it's been great to be exposed to all the different kinds of instruments, and last night especially at the gong bath, it was just fantastic to be able to like use them, and in a space where we would actually be doing that down the track if we take that path. So yeah.
Yeah, because you came to level 1 and then level 2 quite quickly.
I did, yeah. I loved it so much that I came back for more. Yeah, because I knew that in the content there was things that you were covering that I definitely wanted to learn more about. So yeah, particularly the percussion instruments and the handheld gong, because I bought one the week before, so I wanted to learn how to use it.
So what would you say to other yoga teachers who are just predominantly doing yoga but want to take that yoga to the next stage?
Yeah, I'd recommend bringing the gong into it at the end of a class. Even at the beginning you could do a few hits of the gong, and just to come into that calm state. Yeah, you're going to get more people along as well because it's something different.